Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Are you an avid user of social media? If so, you can now get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. With the advent of social media, there are now many ways for people to make money using these platforms. With a few simple steps, you can start getting paid for your time on social media. In this video, we will discuss how to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. This may sound too good to be true, but it's actually a legitimate opportunity for those who want to earn some extra cash. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube have become essential parts of our daily lives. We use them to connect with friends and family, share information, and entertain ourselves. But did you know that you can also get paid for using these platforms? There are several ways to make money on social media. For instance, businesses are willing to pay influencers or users with large followings on these platforms to promote their products or services. You could also get paid by becoming a content creator on YouTube or by offering your skills as a social media manager for small businesses. The best part about getting paid to use Facebook, Twitter, or YouTube is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Click the link in the description below to get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube today.